Firstly, I would say, in this test match, the way Monty bowled, he was different from all the other bowlers. As I said, all the other bowlers, they are getting a bit of bounce and turn, but, Monty was someone who was bowling at real place, was bowling close to 90, 95 or even above that, and still he was able to get some turns. So I think he was someone who had a big impact on the game. And if you compare all the other bowlers, most of them they got wickets, but they never looked to trouble the batsman as much as what Monty did. So I think a big credit goes to him. It still will like a typical, subcontinental wicket. It needs to turn, and as I always say, right from the first day, it should turn so that there's no importance of toss, and it's up to the two teams. Whichever plays better cricket wins the game. Also, there's a particular style of bowling. We also tried to bowl fast, but we didn't get the same kind of out of the wicket as what Monty got. So, it's the same, my friend. Batsmen, some conditions suit you really well and some does not. So, I felt the only thing that we could have done slightly better is, let them drive a bit more than what we did, because if you bowl short on a wicket that has a bit of bounce, you get more time, especially the fact that we were getting more purchase if you're bowling slightly slow. No, you feel a bit disappointed, but the reason, the best thing about these wickets is, no side is guaranteed a win. You have to play well to win a game. That's why I always call for tracks that starts to turn quite early, because toss is not important. So that way, if you see, I think their bowling was really good. Batting, Peterson and Cook batted really well. But apart from that, if you see both the scorecards, it will resemble quite the same. One or two big innings, and the rest all are phone numbers. 9-8-3-5-1, something like that. So it will be tough, if you play on wickets like these. But that's what Test cricket is all about. My only job is to call back everyone or something, and the umpires will also do. There are replays that shows batsman is LBW. Why can't the opposition batsman say, no, my batsman is out, you come back, somebody else will go. And umpires they get handsome payments, so they are supposed to take a few decisions. We'll see the wicket. If you remember the pre-match conference, I said we'll play with a 2-2 combination, but we had a closer look on the wicket and we felt, maybe the third spinner could be a better option, and, thankfully we were right. It's a very one-dimensional attack when you look at it on paper, but, I think that's what was needed, because the last inning you hardly saw any fast bowlers, doing a lot of bowling.